Hi guys, welcome to our video channel. This is Nona. Today let's talk about a common question. How long does a portable solar panel actually last? If you have any question or thoughts, feel free to leave comments and we will reply as soon as we can. Alright, let's get started.
The key factor affecting lifespan.
So what determines the lifespan of a portable solar panel? Here are the key points. First, manufacturing quality. High-quality materials and advanced manufacturing techniques can enhance the durability and long-term performance. Second, environmental factors. Temperature change, humidity, dust, and sand can damage the solar panel. Extreme temperature swings might cause cracks. Moisture can lead to corrosion, and dusty buildup reduce sunlight absorption. Further maintenance. Regularly to clean the solar panel and ensure that connections are free of dust and damage to maintain optimal performance. Fourth, transport and physical impact. Be mindful of bumps and jumps during transport. Proper packaging can prevent physical damage to the solar panel. Fifth, installation angle and direction. Installing at the right angle and direction can ensure max efficiency. Incorrect installation over time can cause damage. 6. Has right connectors. The quality of wire and the connector is key. Poor connection can lead to malfunction, short circuits, or corrosion, affecting the solar panel's overall lifespan.
Typical life of portable solar panel.
Actually, the lifespan of a solar panel varies depending on its type, model, and usage. Generally, a high-quality solar panel can last anywhere from 5 to 15 years. Of course, they are just estimated based on industry standards, and the actual lifespan can vary from person to person. So, how to maintain the portable solar panel in use? First, protect the portable solar panel. Protecting portable solar panel from the environment is necessary. Where high-quality portable solar panel can handle rain, hail, snow, and wind. They still require extra care in extreme conditions like lightning and snowstorms. Regular cleaning and reapplying protective coatings help to keep solar panel in top condition. Additionally, installing them in a sunny spot away from harsh elements and using protective covers during extreme weather can effectively extend their lifespan. Second, proper storage of portable solar panel. Although portable solar panel is lightweight and compact, proper storage is ensured to prevent damage from extreme temperature, humidity, and physical impacts. First, store the panel in a dry, cool place away from direct sunlight and cover it for extra protection. Second, pay special attention to storing battery panel properly, as they are the most inexpensive and the easiest component to maintain. It's best to store them vertical and avoid placing heavy objects on the panel. Third, clean and maintain portable solar panel. Regularly clean prevents dirt and debris buildup on the solar panel, helping to extend their lifespan. When clean, avoid scratching the surface and frequently check caps and connections to ensure there are no loose or damaged parts. If you find any damaged components, repair or replace them immediately to prevent small issues from becoming major problems. Fourth, use the right charge control. Choosing the right charge control is crucial for safety and longevity of solar system. A solar panel controller's main function is to balance and regulate the energy flow from the solar panel and the battery, while preventing overcharging and related hazards. A high-quality control dynamically matches solar input with battery demand, protecting the system from voltage spikes and effectively extending the lifespan of components like solar panel, inverters, and batteries.
How to extend its lifespan.
To make your solar panel last longer, here are some practical tips. First, avoid overexposure. Although portable solar panels are designed for outdoor use, prolonged exposure to intense sunlight can accelerate materials aging. After each use, try to store the panel in a cool and dry place to avoid unnecessary wear. Second, regular cleaning. Keeping solar panel clean can enhance photoelectric conversion efficiency. Here are some cleaning tips. Gently wipe the surface with a clean, soft cloth to remove dust and dirt. Use a gentle stream of water to rinse off dust and debris, but avoid high-pressure water jets to prevent damage to delicate components. Avoid harsh chemicals, abrasive tools, or stiff braster brush, as this can scratch the glass or damage the anti-reflective coating, reduce efficiency. Third, frequent inspection. Regularly inspecting your solar panel is crucial to maintaining their efficiency and longevity. Check panel wear and connections for wear looseness and weather-related damage. If loose plugs, worn wires, or panel surface cracks are found, repair them immediately to prevent the problem from increasing. Fourth, avoid machine leak damage. Be careful when carrying and using portable solar panel to avoid force and heavy pressure, as this can damage the internal circuits and the battery cells. Seal your panel firmly during charge to prevent shifting, which could lead to cracks in the cells or damage to interconnect ribbons. Fifth, proper protective storage. When not in use, store your solar panel properly to prevent damage from environmental wear. Store panel flights in a cool, dry, and moisture-controlled indoor environment to prevent wearing or UV degradation. Use protective caps on connector to prevent dust or grime build-up during free time. Do you have any questions when using portable solar panel or if you own one? Today, I will take you through and answer these common questions.
Can portable solar panels store electricity?
No, portable solar panels don't store electricity themselves. They usually need to be connected to a battery or portable power station to store energy.
What is the typical warranty period for portable solar panel?
Portable solar panels usually come with a 1 to 5 years warranty. It's depending on the brand and the model. Some high-quality products may offer longer warranty and even include performance guarantee.
Do portable solar panels require regular maintenance?
Yes, auto maintenance need is low. Regular cleaning and checking the connecting wiring can help prolong its lifespan and ensure its performance and efficiency.
Does the efficiency of portable solar panel decrease over time?
Yes, the efficiency of most solar panels decreased by about 0.5% to 1% per year. Nonetheless, after 20 to 25 years, they retain 75 to 85% of their original efficiency.
Can solar panel be used as they age?
Even beyond their recommended lifespan, the solar panels are usually still capable of generating electricity, but at reduced efficiency. Depending on the actual condition of a solar panel, it can still used for equipment with lower power requirements or for backup purpose. Portable solar panels typically last 5 to 15 years, but with proper care and maintenance, you can extend their lifespan and efficiency. If there is anything else you are interested, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.